They seem to be different colors, but let us see how this dress is going to turn up. Okay, so stay tuned and watch to the end. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends, your auntie, your tailor friends. Let's do this. So that's the first layer. Now I want to do the second layer. Then anyway, this dress will have a lot of layers so that it should be puffy and really, really looking good. Yeah. So this has 2 layers, and then I want to add some hard net, which is over there. I'm debating if I should use that soft net, because to me already it looks like with the hard net we're going to achieve the design, the fullness that we want. Okay, yeah, so I will cut that right here. Ooh. I will cut this in half and gather it. After I do the gathers, I'll now put, this was going to be my lining. The satin is going to be my lining, and then I have the hard net. The hard net is going to go inside, and I will show you how to insert the hard net inside, how I do it and how I prefer doing it. So stay tuned. So I've cut the hard net, which is here, and that's the lining over there, and that's our outer part. So I now have to gather this and the lining as well. Stay tuned. So the lining, I don't cut it in a circle. The hard net, I don't cut it in a circle. I just cut it straight and I'll gather it all up. And this is going to make the dress really, really puffy. You see how it's looking there? And now if I add the hard net, it's going to make it way, way puffy. And also that's our lining. I'm so excited to see how this is going to end. Honestly, this dress is going to look good. Watch to the end and subscribe to my channel. Like it, share it, show your friends, okay? Yeah, so coming to the lining has been cut in a circle, and as you can see, the fabric is folded in 2. It's folded in 4. Is it 4 or 2? Okay, 4. Yep. So let's sew. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4, which is the hard net. So we start with the hard net, the bridal satin, there's a second layer and the other layer, which is the last layer. So this is how you can achieve such. So stay tuned for the other video. I will be showing you how to cut the top part and how to attach. I hope you like this video, and if you do, subscribe, share. So I will show you the layers that I added to make it this puffy. So we have this, and this is actually 1, 2. This is the same fabric, okay? Same fabric. So we put it aside, and this is bridal satin, and it'll act as a lining. That's what I have used. And beneath the bridal satin, you have, ta-da! This is a hard knit, okay? This helps out in making it puffy. So the material, like the layers that we've used, 1, 2, and 3, 4. So these are the layers that you have to use. You can use more. Maybe if you want it more puffy, you can use another layer of this. If you are interested to see how you can attach the hard knits like in multiple layers, let me know. Comment down below so that I can make that video for you. When you comment, so when you comment down below, it will show me that, okay, this person is interested in learning how to add an underskirt, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and watch the next video, because the next video I'll be explaining how to make the upper part of this same dress. Bye. Okay, so while we're at it, can you admire the things in our shop? We have this cute dress. We have that beautiful dress. Oh, that baby's naked over there, and the wedding dress is over there. And this is what I was telling you about. Thank you so much for watching. And that's me. And that's me. That's me.